And welcome back. Well, tattoos are now more popular than ever before, but sometimes that permanent mark on your body is something that people regret.
Today, tattoo removal and a new safe, effective way to remove all the ink of all the colors in fewer treatments. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the medical director of the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa located in Pewaukee. Great to see you.
Good to see you.
So I'm dying to know what tattoo is the most likely, what do people regret the most? Which one are they most likely to want removed?
The name of an ex.
Yeah.
The name of an ex.
Absolutely.
And where is it usually?
Oh, it varies.
Do people even want tattoos removed, even if most people in everyday life can't see that tattoo?
They do. They do. It's really funny, but I think most are on either the ankles or the arms, but the back. You know, we've had people come in who've just had tattoos done and they're misspelled.
Oh.
And, you know, the kids are devastated that they've gone through all this and have this and there's a misspelled word.
Oh.
So
you can like find all those like tattoo fails, you know,
yes,
they're
yes,
very funny
there
actually.
Are some. There really are some. So, you know, there's absolutely no judgment at all about it. So come in if you have something you've grown tired of, or it's faded, or you don't like it any longer, or it reminds you of somebody you don't want to remember.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Come on in.
Got it.
A lot of people think about it being very painful.
Right.
And so that's something, I mean, tattoos don't feel great themselves. You know, there's pain associated with getting a tattoo, but removal has been known to be painful.
Right.
There's a new technique that you're using.
That's right. What we're using is not laser any longer. We do have laser and we still use it for certain tattoos. It works great for small, dark tattoos.
Okay.
Especially we do complementary removal of tattoos placed for radiation therapy.
Yeah.
So patients who've had cancer can come in and we always will freely remove those little marks
cool.
just to get rid of that. You know, if their doctors say it's okay, they're not going to need any more treatment. But aside from that, there have been colors that have always been difficult to remove with the lasers that are available. And the lasers use
Like which colors?
mainly greens and yellows.
Those are hard.
They're harder to remove. Yeah.
Okay.
So reds and blacks and dark blues are fine, but sometimes the blue is also difficult.
Okay.
Even though we have different wavelengths of laser that we use. And with the laser, we're using something called Q-switch, which was it's an explosive thing. It explodes the pigment underneath, and then that has to get disseminated in the body. It's taken up by lymph nodes. And so there has also been a concern more recently that spreading this dye, because you don't know what's in the ink, what kind of metals are in the ink, may not be healthy to remove it.
Gotcha.
We have a couple pictures too. One of this new device that you're using that's safe, that's effective, is called the Eclipse Reverse.
That's
right?
correct.
That's
And
what this is.
That's right. And it's almost like a little tattoo pen. And the needle is vibrating back and forth, and we're able to control the depth of the needle. And by doing little, almost like fractionated mechanisms we used before, either microneedling or with fractionated laser, we're leaving little islands of skin normally in between. And we actually use a template on the tattoo the first time. So we do little ovals that we treat. And then like this is after one treatment. So all those little
That's a
ovals,
lot after one treatment
Yes.
removed.
Well, and maybe you like the new
Design.
the new design.
But what's nice to us, because tattoo removal patients really get tired of coming back, because you can't tell them how long it's going to take for a laser tattoo removal.
Because you just
Maybe
don't know.
10, 12, sometimes more treatments to get it all off, and it fades slowly. With
Gotcha.
this, you're removing the pigment in the spots that are treated first time. Immediately. And so you're seeing a lot more result. And so I think people are more motivated to come back and have it done.
So how many times does this treatment take
It's
to
usually
potentially get rid of it?
3 to 6.
Okay.
Depending on how
Size.
dense the tattoo is, you know, or if it's a line, if it's letters and things like that.
And how many weeks apart?
12 weeks apart, 8 to 12 weeks apart minimum. So usually
Is that because
8
it
weeks.
takes that long to scab and come out?
Yes, that's
Okay.
because you want the scarring to totally get better. So,
Gotcha.
you know, you don't want to go ahead and treat an area that's still healing. And so we treat it, and then it scabs over in about 3 weeks, the scab falls off, and then you just let that heal so the pinkness goes away and it becomes normal again.
And is the way that you sell the treatment, is it in packages?
We always try to sell the first, if somebody's never had that tattoo treated, 3 treatments first for a package for $9.99.
Okay.
And then as they come in for additional treatments, depending on how big the tattoo is, how dense it is, what we think they'll need, we're actually able to estimate a lot more clearly how many treatments are going to be needed to remove a tattoo. So we can be upfront with them and say, you know, you can expect this will be gone in 6 months or in 1 year, you know, instead of who knows how long it'll take.
Yeah, and then it's just fading the name on their arm.
Right.
You can still read
Goodbye,
it.
so-and-so. Yes. Yeah, okay, got it. Now, right now, if people come in, they can have a free consultation and start their removal with a $50 discount,
That's right. If they say they've watched us on the Morning Blend, they can get $50 off the first treatment or the package.
Why? Because you like Morning Blend viewers?
We do.
Yeah.
That's so nice. All right, tattoo removal. Make sure you mention the Morning Blend. You can start your tattoo removal process with a $50 discount and a free consultation. Maybe find out how long it will take. The Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa is located on Georgetown Drive. The spa is in Pewaukee. Call 262-746-9088 or visit them online at wimedispa.com. You also have retail that people can buy on your website now too,
Yes,
right?
we do. We have our derm store open.
Get some Glow Minerals. Just
Yeah.
throw that on there too.
We're not selling Glow Minerals.
Oh, you gotta get it on there. It's so good.
I know. It is great. It is
Good
great.
stuff. Thank you so much, Dr.